Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show how to use Excel group sheet function to simultaneously edit multiple sheet at the same time. And this is particularly useful when you have sheets in the same workbook that have the same data structure, the format of the data, the sheet layout are also similar. So in this way, you can edit them at the same time using the group sheet uh, function in Excel, and I shall show you how now. As you can see in this screen, there is data from A to E, some probability data, and also I have it in my 20 bin sheet, 40 bin sheet, and 100 bin sheet. So all these four sheet, I want to do some modification to the data here, the format and the coloring and editing to the data, and I can do them simultaneously together, but you have to remember that the prerequisite is the data have to be in the same format as their layout. And also to take note that using group sheet to edit the chart is not possible. It's only possible to format data, and it's also not possible to add data simultaneously. So without further ado, I shall demonstrate what I mean. So here you can see there are four sheet, 10 bin, 20 bin, 40 bins, and 100 bins. And I wanted to, uh, first I will show you that I want to I want to group I want to adjust the width of this A to E column simultaneously. And how do I do that? Is I select one sheet, I press down control, and I click the other sheet, and I press down control, the third sheet, and the fourth sheet. And you can see on top of your workbook, the file name, there's a group word. Before I select, let me unselect first. You can ungroup it by right click on any of the sheet and you click ungroup. You can see that at the top of my here at my file name, there's no word group here. This is just my file name, AAPL prices. So after I have grouped, you can see there's a group word that appear at the top. I control and I click the respective sheet and can multiple select all of them. You can see there's a group word. So this Excel tells you that you have grouped the sheet, and now you can simultaneously edit them together, format them together. And now I shall show you how. Currently my active sheet is 10 here, so I shall adjust the width of the 10 sheet, and you can see that it will be reflected in all the sheet. So to make it more obvious, I do an exaggeration of column A. I drag far apart, and you can see that all the sheet are adjusted at the same time. So if I move back here, all the sheet are moved back at the same time also, and you can adjust it at any of the four sheet. So for probability density, I make it very small, and the rest I adjust at the 40 bin sheet, and the rest also follow. So this is a very cool trick to multiple adjust and format multiple sheets in the same workbook, but just to remember that the data structure, the format here have to be similar. So you can adjust nicely. After you have adjust nicely, you can see that everything is followed, and you can also highlight cells here. You go to home, you can color them green, for example, and all the sheet will also follow suit with the color formatting. So now I shall remove it. And also you can and also you can also do selective, as in uh, alternate sheet selection without grouping them together. As you can see that in 10 bin, I have the A and B, I have this underlined black border here, which I don't want it, I want to remove it. But in bin 20, 40 bin, it's not present. But in 100 bin is there, I have it again. So I only need to adjust these two bin. If you just need these two bin, it's also very simple. You can ungroup it first. You can either do it here straight away, or you can first, if you don't want to adjust anymore for bin 20 and bin 14 sheet, you just right click and group the sheet first, and you click 10 and control key press down, you click 100. These two are grouped together. You can see the group will appear again. So you go to the erase button here, the eraser, right? You can just erase. Currently my active sheet is sheet 10 bins. So you can just erase it here, and it will be reflected in the 100 bin also. So with the same thing, you can right click and ungroup the sheet, and you are back to normal. And you Control S to save the changes if you want. And guys, this is the short video regarding the group sheet function in Excel. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you can apply it in your work or in your daily life. But just to remember that it's not uh, usable with charts, and also to ensure that it's only work nicely if you have sheets of the same format, data structure, and column structure and row structure. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.